Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a HubSpot account. First, navigate to the official HubSpot website. Look for the prominent Get Started Free button, which is usually located at the top right or center of the home page. Click this button to initiate the account creation process. You will then be prompted to enter your email address. After submitting, check your inbox for a confirmation email to verify your account and move to the next step. Once your email is confirmed, you will be guided to choose the HubSpot tools that best fit your business. HubSpot offers several powerful hubs, such as the CRM Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, and Service Hub. You can start with just one, like the free CRM, or select multiple hubs to create a more integrated solution. Think about your primary goals, whether it's lead generation, customer support, or sales pipeline management, to make the best choice. Now it's time to set up your profile and provide some essential details. You'll be asked for information such as your company name, industry, and the number of employees. This helps HubSpot tailor your experience. Next, create a strong, unique password to secure your account. Finally, take a moment to review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy before finalizing your setup. This ensures you understand the platform's guidelines. Congratulations! Your HubSpot account is now open and ready to explore. Take some time to navigate your new dashboard. You'll find various menus and sections for your chosen tools. Consider importing any existing contacts or data to get started quickly. HubSpot also provides extensive learning resources, including tutorials and guides, to help you maximize the platform's potential. Enjoy discovering all the powerful features available to you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.